Hello friends, it's Beth Creaky with eXp Realty, and today we are getting ready to tour the Hudson, which is in Discovery Point in Shelbyville, Kentucky. This is a maintenance-free patio home, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 2-story. Yeah, you get the twos. Yeah, it's kind of right in there. So anyway, square footage is about 1,650, again, square feet, and price point starts around in the low 270s. And it's a beautiful neighborhood, Fisher Homes neighborhood, and the amenities are a pool and a playground. Who wants to go look at it? Come on. Come on in. So you have this beautiful home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is going into the garage, which you don't really need to see the inside of the garage, but it's a two-car garage. Little coat closet here. And I want to show you the downstairs, even though you see the upstairs. I want to save that for last because this is so cool upstairs. But so this is the Hudson, another beautiful open floor plan. The kitchen is great. I love the layout of this house. It's just insane.
It's beautiful floors.
It is beautiful floors. I don't want to walk in front of you, but okay. Yeah, so this island, there's granite countertops, and on this side over here is a humongous lit pantry. Like, I am in shock at how big this is, especially for a patio home.
Who doesn't love a big pantry?
Oh, I need one.
Snacks.
Uh-huh. Ready? And then there's a half bath right here too.
I love how they utilize the space. The stairs.
I know.
About you doing this.
It is. It's very, very smart. And it's a little bigger than I expected it to be.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm not going to lie. I would totally put an electric fireplace right there.
Oh, yeah.
Wouldn't that be great?
Be a nice focal point for that wall.
It really would.
Beautiful windows.
Very, very bright. By the way, that's wallpaper and not rock on the wall. I had to go feel it. Because it looks really deep. It does. I mean, don't you want to just touch it because it looks like it is? Come on, let's go upstairs and see the bedrooms. 3 bedrooms upstairs, along with the laundry room and 2 full baths. We'll go into the primary first. It's here on the right-hand side. I know, that's my favorite part too. Absolutely my favorite thing. And this bathroom is so well laid out. Like a little privacy area for the toilet, and it's just insane. I also love the color palette here.
It's very nice.
Pop in the mirror and say hi.
Hi. Hi.
There she is.
That mirror because we're pinkies.
Oh, we are. We're twins.
Go over a little bit. Keep going. There.
So fun. Check out this closet. And you know what? I cannot believe at how big these windows are.
They are.
Aren't they huge? Also, the primary closet is has a window in it.
Yes.
And I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, and if you know me, and as you're getting to know me, I love a closet with a window.
Holy closet.
Holy closet.
So much room for activities.
No, you can't do somersaults or cartwheels in this one, though. No. But let's go to the next level up, which is so fun. Watch your step. This is where the 2 bedrooms, other 2 bedrooms, the full bath, and the laundry room are.
What a great use of this space.
I know. Yeah. I mean, this is like, what else would you do? I mean, this is like the perfect thing. It was literally made for an office. And then you'd have to keep it tidy.
Yes.
No, yes.
Don't leave in your papers.
Yes, right, exactly. This also has a really nice size closet in it. Again, with the large windows. And I feel like you can't really tell that because of their curtains, but the windows are huge.
They are. All the light.
All of the light. And this room, I'm almost in love with this room as much as I am the primary. I think it's just because of the two windows.
I'm a light person also.
Yeah.
It just makes me happy.
Me too. It's that sun-powered thing that we have going on.
Right. And a nice little closet.
And I even think that this bathroom isn't like, I mean, it's not small. I mean, it's a nice size bath.
It's a good size secondary full bath.
And then here's the laundry room.
Convenient on the second floor where all the bedrooms are.
Exactly. Laundry to be put away easily. And this bad boy is not for sitting.
But you look so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, oftentimes you'll see build-ups like this because this actually happens to sit right above the steps, which personally, I kind of like this.
I know.
Because you've got plenty of
there you can use it as storage, you know? I mean, you can put stuff.
Table.
Yes.
You got enough space right here on this wall. You could put a rack for
a drying rack.
You know,
yeah.
Yeah. One that like kind of comes out from the wall.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking too. This is great. And yes, we did spend some time in the laundry room, but hey, who doesn't love the laundry room? So yeah, so this was the Hudson. What'd you think? So I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful patio home. If you like this video, let us know. Like, hit subscribe or like us, follow us. My team and I do these videos all the time, and we do them for you. And if you don't want to miss out on it, you got to make sure that you're, in the know. Who doesn't want to be in the know? Anyway, thank you, and we'll see you around town.